Welcome back, friends. And if you are having Samsung mobile, old Samsung mobile, and you are facing difficulty with your display, your phone is not working properly, not smoothly working, hanging, lagging issue, display is not working, battery is draining, then this video is for you. Please watch this video till end. I have covered all the things. Just learn all the things one by one, apply on your mobile and see the difference. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Starting from very first, this is Samsung A31 mobile, old mobile, and it will also work like anything. So just coming to the setting, and here you will go to the display, and in this display just here screen mode, select vivid, and in vivid just go to the cooler one. So what is happening, if you are selecting warm, then there is additional load on the CPU of this mobile. So just go select this. If your mobile is malfunctioning, do this. This is the first thing. You can also turn the eye comfort shield on, especially in the nights. You can schedule from here also, sunset to sunrise as custom. So you can make what will it do? It will keep your eyes comfortable for limiting blue lights and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. So especially in nights you can use. So I'm just turning it off to show you. So this is the second thing, font style. Actually, when you are loading many fonts, then your phone performance will get decreased. You will not just tap it to defaults for smoother operations of your display phone CPU. So this is the third thing. Next, screen zoom. Basically you can basically this feature is being used by the people who have weaker eyes. So if you have weaker eyes, do as per your convenience, but if you are strong eyes, then please keep it at the lowest. This will increase the performance of your phone. So now go below, go to the navigation bar, and here these things will not affect. Just here one default digital assistance app. What will it do? Suppose this square, the middle, you are pressing it longer time, here some help app is activated. Just go and here select none. Okay, this will also increase the performance of your mobile. Next, just go below and here go back, and then navigation bar I have covered. Then here touch sensitivity. If you are using a tempered glass or screen protector, this should be on, otherwise your touch will not work properly, your display will not work properly, lagging issue will be there. So turn it on. Now go always on display. Earlier people are using this very much, but I will suggest just turn it off, because this will consume more battery and your phone will become sluggish. So just go back. Now lock screen, I think display settings. Now come again to the root of the settings and then go to the lock screen, and here I have already discussed this always on display, it should be off. Wallpaper services. What is happening when your wallpaper services are activated? It will consume the background data, so make it none. Now what will happen? The battery consumption will be low and background data consumption will also low, so that your performance of your mobile will, and again apply, you should apply. Okay, So roaming clock, this should be off. What is the use of this? Now notifications, lock screen notifications, you should turn it off. Okay, and also these are also shortcuts. When you are turning it on and here you are locking it, you can watch these shortcuts. There is no need of these shortcuts if your mobile is not working at your highest efficiency level. So to increase the performance, to increase the display promptness, just turn it off. Now again go back, then in setting you have to go to the advanced features, and here then here game launcher, this should be off. Okay, now go back and now go to the battery and device care. This setting is the important setting, and then go to the 1 minute. If any issue found comes, fixed now, it will optimize. Okay, which app? This you can make into the deep sleep. Now it is great. Now just go to the memory, and in memory RAM plus, here you can select the highest. RAM plus uses your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. So after selecting the highest memory available here, just restart your mobile, and after restarting your mobile, use your mobile. You will feel the huge difference in the performance of your mobile. The touch sensitivity, the touch of mobile will work more smoother. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.